guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this really bomb tutorial on this hair from Cynosure hair. It looks so good. I'm loving my baby hairs, and I'm starting to love the no middle swoop. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this hair, keep on watching. Alright guys, so hi, welcome back to the channel. I am bald capping right now, even though I said I was not doing my bald cap like that. I'm just in the mood to bald cap. So I am going to be installing this wig. This is a deep wave wig, and this is, if I'm not mistaken, 26 inches. So I did not wash the hair. This is in its natural state. I did bleach the knots. The knots didn't really bleed. Alright, so I'm going ahead and putting it on. First things first, I'm just going to cut off all that extra lace. Alright. So now, I'm just going to go ahead and start adjusting the wig to my head. It is so cut so uneven, I cannot see. Hold on. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut off around my ears. The wig is definitely, the lace is like spacious. Like I don't have to worry about one side being too damn long than the other side at all, because it's spacey. I'm gonna, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the extra lace on this side. Okay, so now I'm going to take my So Melted lace glue, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do 2 thin layers of this glue. This is my glue. Just say this, like, those HD caps are trash. Like, I'm not using them no more. Like, you see this balled up creation that is creating for no reason. Like, I cut it perfectly fine. Like, it always does that, because why do we need, we have HD wigs, why do we need an HD cap? HD caps are trash. First of all, a cap is supposed to be covering your hair. Like, it's here to, you know, like, blend out your hair, camouflage your hair, to put over a wig. This shit is see-through. Like, I had to just tap my powder in. Like, no, it's dumb. So it is drying. I am so curious to see how this install comes out, just based off the fact that the knots didn't bleach, but the hairline and the hair itself looks really good. And I took my time plucking it, y'all. So my hot comb is broke, so I don't got no hot comb. So hence why you will see me using my wand curler as a hot comb.
Outside in it. Right outside. Two-time, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, gotta watch your time, 'cause it's flying right. Two-time, baby girl.
Oh, I've been filming this whole time. No. Alright, you guys, I'm so sorry, y'all. I should have cut my camera off. I mean, you guys won't know that. Alright, y'all, so this is how it looks with the band on. Let me with the band off. time for baby hairs. It's time.
In an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense on. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Alright, you guys, so now that I've got my baby hairs in the how I want them, I'm gonna take my baby hair glue and I'm just gonna start slicking back the area and slicking off.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside.
Just like that. And my curling iron is ready to rock. So I think so far I've like plucked it to my liking. Now I'm just cutting. Off excess here. Beautiful. So I'm going to take my stick, dab it in my gel, get a chunk of product, and then I'm gonna take my slicking spritz. Sometimes I gotta make sure that it's slicking spritz and it's not. And I just press it down like this. And then I'll do some trimming because there's like some long strings of random hairs.
Caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense on. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn.
I love it, y'all. I did this. I love it, y'all. Alright, you guys, so now that the baby hairs are finished, oh, they look so good, y'all. They look so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my spritz. And then my blow dryer. All right, y'all. So I am wearing 26 inches of deep wave, and my hair is from Cynosure. That's how you pronounce it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go straight up my part like that, and right there, just jag that through. I do feel like some of this hair belongs on this side, which is crazy, but then I take a little bit of my spritz, and I don't see my sleek mist, so I'll just use this hair shine thing and just press that out like that, and then I just bend that forward. I don't know why, but that little doing that just gives it like a little look. And yeah, spray it. And I like to spray it with this spray. I'm gonna show y'all the spray. I think this is like, it's Oil Sheen Wig Shine. It's honestly for synthetic wigs, but it gives you that nice wet look on curly hair. It can be too strong for straight hair. It can make it like oily and clampy, but for curly hair it gives it like this really nice wet shine look without it being drenched. So this is the final look for the tutorial, and I am wearing hair once again from Cynosure Hair. So if you guys are interested in this hair, just click the link in my bio for all the details. Thank you guys so much for watching.